Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching my last videos. Today we're going to be doing customer orders, and that's going to be it. It's going to be a quick day because I have to go cat sit a house. So I will be back tomorrow. Everything will be the same. We just got to get there. So I'm just trying to rush all this stuff, get it out, and then get there and then edit this video and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life and basically go over the ups and downs of business and make a video almost every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So if you're interested in stuff like that, watch this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so as I was cutting out the stickers, I did receive notification that my stickers, guys, I'm super freaking amped. More stickers came in from my supplier. So that's gonna be super, super convenient because I'll have less things to work on and cutting, and so I can go full remote so I can get this business popping. And I got some Coastal Cowboy stickers as well. So super amped, got more in here. We're set, baby, let's go. Alright guys, so got all the orders out. So this is the end of the video. So let's go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. Alright guys, so we made $76.85 yesterday on eBay. We made $262.71 on Amazon, so a total of $340 in revenue yesterday, which is not as good as it has been. So $815 is where we're at for the last 2 days. If you do want to see me hit 30K, please like this video and subscribe down below because I make a video almost every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. I will see you all tomorrow. Everybody, have a great night. Peace out.